Alright, here we go. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. This is a pallet I already started ripping into. But, yeah, I probably got 4 bars of battery there. Here we go. Whoa. Trying to do this one-handed, so bear with me. Yeehaw! Thing's off the chain. Yeah, buddy. Well, I wasn't timing that or anything, but like I said, man, this thing, it's awesome. It's like $150 at Home Depot, I think. I already have the batteries. So tool only, I don't know, $1.30 I think, or $1.25. Love it. It's got its own hand tensioner right there, and a little safety guard for the blade. But yeah, I brought extra chains. What else? Like I said, I already have the batteries. I got extra chains. I sharpened the first chain that's already on it. I've done that twice. So yeah, rips right through pallets. Now I can keep the fire going. Happy February 25.